Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss thermodynamics related work calculation. This is the most important for CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAM and MSc Intern. So please don't skip the video. Now, work. Work calculation. This is PV work calculation. PV means pressure and volume work calculation. Now, first, gas kept a piston kept in a gas in a container by a piston, a internal pressure P internal and outside the pressure P external, surroundings pressure. So if the gas is expand, P internal pressure greater than P external pressure, so gas expand. Suppose the volume V1, then expand gas expand. So volume, this is volume V2. So V2 greater than V1. This is the piston. Now piston displacement. Now we know work equal to force F into distance through which piston move. There delta L. This piston moves this side, so this is small delta L. We know y equal to force into distance. Force, we know pressure P equal to force by area, equal to force equal to pressure into area. So this is pressure into area into delta L equal to this pressure is P external pressure. So this is P external pressure. So P external pressure into area into delta L. This is distance. So total is delta V. We know delta V equal to area into length. Now delta V equal to V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1. In expansion, V2 greater than V1. In compression, so V1 greater than V2 because this side piston this side, so V1 greater than V2. Now, so work equal to P external into delta V, but P external pressure decrease, so volume increase. So this is opposite, so this is negative sign. So W equal to P external minus P external into delta V. Now total work W equal to summation of dW equal to minus P external into dV, minus P external into dV. So W equal to minus P external into dV. This is the most important equation. Now case 1. In case of isothermal reversible expansion of an ideal gas, work calculation of an ideal gas. Now reversible, this is incredibly small step reaction. So W equal to work equal to minus P external into del V. Pressure is not constant in the reversible process. So in case of, this is ideal gas condition. In case of ideal gas, we know PV equal to nRT. So P equal to nRT by V. This pressure is external pressure. Now work equal to minus nRT by V into dV. P external substituted this value. Now condition is isothermal. So isothermal temperature equal to constant for isothermal case. So nRT constant part integration front side. So dV by V. Now condition, this is V1 to V2 limit equal to minus nRT, this is dV by V, integration dx by x, we know this is ln x, so dV by V equal to ln V, this is ln V, condition V1 to V2 equal to minus nRT ln V2 minus ln V1 equal to minus nRT ln V2 by V1, subtraction, so divided, so work equal to minus nRT ln V2 by V1. This is the most important for isothermal reversible expansion of an ideal gas. So work equal to minus nRT ln V2 by V1. Second, in case of isothermal but irreversible expansion of an ideal gas. Irreversible isothermal irreversible expansion, two case, divided two case. Case 1 is expansion against zero external pressure, or this is called free expansion in, or that is in vacuum, so P external equal to 0. Case 1, condition 1. Second condition, this is constant external pressure, so P external equal to constant. Now condition 1, calculate work. Condition 1, so P external equal to 0. We know work equal to minus P external dV. So P external equal to 0. So 0 into dV equal to 0. So work equal to 0. Condition 1 in vacuum or free expansion or expansion against zero external pressure in isothermal irreversible expansion. Now second condition. This is second condition. This is constant external pressure. So P external equal to constant case. So work equal to, this is minus P external into dV. So P external constant. So constant part front side, the integration part. So P external into dV. The limit, suppose V1 to V2. So this is P external V2 minus V1. So work equal to minus P external V2 minus V1. So in isothermal irreversible expansion of an ideal gas, so work equal to minus P external V2 minus V1. This is the condition. So isothermal reversible expansion condition. Second, constant external pressure, this equation, or free expansion, this is P external equal to 0 and work equal to 0. Now case 3 is reversible adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas. Remember PV to the power gamma equal to constant. Derivation PV to the power gamma equal to constant, lengthy process. Please have to remember this equation and others equation derived from this equation. So PV to the power gamma equal to constant. Remember. Now we know ideal gas PV equal to nRT. So P equal to nRT by V. Substitute this. So nRT by V equal to V to the power gamma equal to constant. So nRT into V to the power gamma minus 1 equal to constant. So T into V to the power gamma minus 1 equal to constant by nR. equal to t into v to the power gamma minus 1 equal to this part also constant. So this is overall constant value. So another equation. This is PV equation. This is T and V equation. And another V equal to nRT by P. nRT by P. So substituted V value. So P into V to the power. So V to the power gamma. So this is nRT by P to the power gamma equal to constant. Value put this equation. So P into nR to the power gamma into T to the power gamma by P to the power gamma equal to constant. P into P to the power 1 minus gamma into T to the power gamma equal to constant by nR to the power gamma. So P to the power 1 minus gamma into T to the power gamma equal to, this is constant, overall constant, because R constant and constant. So this is overall constant. This is the equation. This is TV and this is PV and this is PT equation for reversible adiabatic expansion. And gamma, and this gamma equal to, we know, Cp by Cv. Gamma equal to Cp by Cv. Now calculate work. Work, we know W equal to minus P external into dV. This is, suppose this is P external, suppose, so P external, so P V to the power gamma equal to constant, so constant, this is K, and P external into V to the power gamma equal to K, so P external equal to K by V to the power gamma. Substitute this value, this is K into V to the power gamma into dV. So minus K into dV by V to the power gamma equal to minus K into, this is V to the power minus gamma into dV. We know integration x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So the limit, suppose v1 to v2, so minus K into V to the power minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1. Limit v1 to v2 equal to minus K into divided 1 minus gamma into v2 1 minus gamma minus v1 1 minus gamma equal to this minus common, so this is K equal to gamma minus 1 into v to the power 1 minus gamma minus v1 to the power 1 minus gamma. Now so work equal to 1 by gamma minus 1 multiplied K into v2 1 minus gamma minus K into v1 1 minus gamma. Now P V to the power gamma equal to constant K, so written P1 V1 to the power gamma equal to P2 V to the power gamma equal to K. So this is 1 minus 1 by gamma minus 1 equal to, substitute K value, this is P2 V2 to the power gamma into V to the power 1 minus gamma minus P1 V1 to the power gamma into V1 to the power 1 minus gamma. Now 1 by gamma minus 1 into the multiplied, so P2 V2 minus P1 V1. So W equal to, this is the most important equation, 1 by gamma minus 1 P2 V2 minus P1 minus V1. This is the reversible adiabatic expansion equation. Or another equation, ideal case, we know PV equal to nRT. So P1 V1 equal to nRT1 or P2 V2 equal to nRT2. So substitute this value. So W equal to 1 by gamma minus 1 into P2 V2 equal to nRT2 minus nRT1. P1 V1 equal nRT1 equal to nR common, gamma minus 1 equal to T2 minus T1. So W equal to nR by gamma minus 1 T2 minus T1. Another equation. This is the most important. And third, so W equal to NR by gamma minus 1 into T2 minus T1. Now N, we know Cp minus Cv equal to R. So substitute this value. So Cp minus Cv, Cp minus Cv. Gamma, we know Cp by Cv minus 1 equal to T2 minus T1 equal to N into Cp minus Cv by, this is Cp minus Cv by Cv into T2 minus T1. So this value cut. So N Cv T2 minus T1. So work equal to N Cv T2 minus T1. Another equation. This is the most important, because we know first law of thermodynamics, del U equal to del Q plus dW. But in adiabatic process, Q equal to 0, Q equal to constant, dQ equal to 0. So dU equal to dW, but delta U equal to W. So W equal to delta U. So delta U equal to, remember, delta equal to NCV T2 minus T1 or NCV delta T. This equation. This is the all about reversible adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas. This one equation and other two equation already discussed. So now second, in irreversible adiabatic expansion. This is also the most important for irreversible adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas. Irreversible adiabatic expansion. Same condition. The condition 1 is free expansion. Work equal to 0. And condition second is intermediate expansion. Now case 2 is intermediate expansion. In case of intermediate expansion, we know W equal to minus P external into dV. Work equal to minus P external dV, and we know delta U equal to NCV dt. So W equal to, we know this is delta U. So minus P external dV equal to NCV dt. Now irreversible process, P external constant. So P external constant into dV, limit V1 to V2 equal to NCV dt, minus P external V2 minus V1 equal to NCV dt equal to minus P external, minus common, so this is V1 minus V2 equal to NCV dt. So P external equal to ideal gas condition nRT, PV equal to nRT. So P1 equal to nRT1. So V1 equal to nRT1 by P1, and V2 equal to nRT2 by P2. So this is nRT1 by P1 minus nRT2 by P2 equal to NCV dt. Now, so P external into nR common, so nR into nR equal to T1 by P1 minus T2 by P2 equal to NCV dt equal to P external into nR into P2 T1 minus P1 T2 by P1 P2 equal to NCV dt. So work equal, this is the work equal to P external by P1 P2 into nR this is P2 T1 minus P1 T2. So this is the equation for irreversible adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas. You are watching on the screen. What is the work which could be obtained from an isothermal reversible expansion of 1 mole of Cl2 from 1 decimeter cube to 50 decimeter cube at 273 Kelvin using ideal gas behavior? So this is the case of isothermal reversible expansion of an ideal gas. We know work equal to minus nRT ln V2 by V1. V2 equal to 50 decimeter cube, and V1 equal to 1 decimeter cube. And R equal to, we know this is 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse, and T given this is 273 Kelvin. So W equal to, and N equal to 1 mole. So W equal to minus 1 mole into 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse into 273 Kelvin into ln V2 50 decimeter cube by 1 decimeter cube. This unit and this unit cut, and Kelvin cut. So after calculation, this value minus 8.314 into 273 joule ln 50. So option A, this is minus 8.88 kilojoule. So work equal to minus 8.88 kilojoule is the answer. So next day I will discuss more conceptual video on this topic. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.